Listen and repeat.
A. Caring, deserve, gifted, imagine, imagination, library, matter, novel, punish. B. Caring, a caring teacher, loving and caring parents. He's a good father because he's so caring. Caring teachers can make a difference. It's a great school because there are so many caring people there. Deserve, to deserve a holiday, to deserve a prize. You have worked hard, and now you deserve a break. Do you think she deserved what she got in the end? Gifted, a gifted child, gifted pupils. To be gifted in, at something. She is very gifted in music. He is very gifted at maths. They are very gifted athletes. Imagine. To imagine something. It's hard, impossible to imagine. I can hardly imagine that we'll live there. You don't really imagine I'll agree to that. Imagination. It is a product of your imagination. It doesn't take great imagination to say what happened next. Library. A town library. A school library. To borrow books from a library. You can borrow this book from our university library. The Library of Congress in Washington, D.C. is one of the largest libraries in the world. Matter. A matter for consideration. An important matter. What's the matter with the radio? It won't turn on. There's nothing the matter with you. You're just tired. Novel. An interesting novel. A long novel. A novel by Leo Tolstoy. A novel usually tells us about different people and places, like those in real life. Punish. To punish a pet. To punish seriously. To punish somebody for something. If you miss classes at school, the teachers will punish you for that.